Hi, it's Miss Janet again for the third week. This is what we're doing this week. We're doing crayon resist watercolor. Now, we've done it before. You know that crayon resist, wax in the crayon doesn't allow the paint to seep in, so you get these cool effects. So we're going to do fish underwater, something colorful and cool, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. So I would like you to use these fish if you can, and you can choose some other fish if you want to look for fish online on the internet, but please don't choose sharks because the shark really would take up the entire page. Choose smallish fish like angelfish or goldfish or something like that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we start. I have a tracing of what my fish look like. When you get your fish done, what you do is you can use crayons or you could use pastels. So if I use a crayon, it's the same principle. You first draw everything out in pencil. You can erase if you make mistakes, and that's cool. Try not to make it as dark as this because the crayon sometimes doesn't cover the darkness of it. But I did this so you could see it. So say I take a green crayon and I start going over the edge, right? So I'm going to go over the edges. And I'm going to go over the lines. You could change the color if you want. We want colorful, that's good. See, I didn't go over that line perfect, but you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, let's change it to a different color, orange. Okay, so say we got that done. Okay, so now the fish has outlined all the lines. So then we take our watercolor, the water, and a color. Say I use blue. So you fill in the blue, and you could change up the color to maybe purple. And as watercolor, you want to mix colors. It looks good. But as you know, if you put too many colors together, what do you get? You get mud. And we don't want mud. So, and as you can see, the crayon still exists there. It cannot mix with the watercolor because the water does not mix with wax in the crayon. So, take colors, do whatever makes you happy. Try to keep the warm colors and the cool colors together because that's kind of what looks best. Okay. So I'm going to add a different color green here. And that's it. It's not a big deal. You could do it when you have time. And then once you get all your fish done and all your coral done at the bottom, you can go over the background with blue. So it doesn't matter if it goes into the fish. Try not to get it into the fish. But that's only after you have all of your fish done. So that's it. Once you get this all done, it will look something like this. Now, to get these cool little circles, I use white. I didn't have any white crayons this week. They're all at school, unfortunately. But I do have a white, tiny white pastel. So say I go over this with white. And I put a color on it, say purple. Watch what happens. So you get that interesting textured appearance of the bubbles of the fish while they're underwater. So I think you'll have fun doing this. Make it colorful, make it yours. Please, when you sign your work, as usual, put it on the right-hand corner at the bottom. We don't need it across the whole page. And that's this week's Crayon Resist watercolor. Have fun, pick out some good fish, and I'll see you soon. See you, bye. Miss Janet still misses you. Hopefully we'll be together soon.